Hi everyone, welcome to OneX Labs. In this video, I'm going to explain you what is dimensions and what is measures. When you connect to any data source, Tableau assigns each field as either as a dimension or a measure field. So you can see here, this is the connected data source and this is where you can see dimensions and measures. So these are the dimensional values and these are the measure values. Tableau separates the fields based on some kind of keywords and assign them to a dimension window or to a measure window. Dimensions, or we can call it as the qualitative values such as names, dates, geographical data, all those data that is which you can define and which you can categorize. So that will be called as dimensions. Okay. When you're connecting to a data source, in case if there is any kind of attributes which specifies the names or the date values, identifiers or the geographical data, Tableau assigns that to a dimension window. Okay, so you have to remember this point. This is more important and this will be definitely asked in the certification. Dimensions affect the level of detail in the view. Okay, so which will, by adding either a dimension or a measure, which will affect the level of detail. There will be some kind of questions like this. So you have to remember this point. Dimensions affect the level of detail in the view, because like how many ever dimensions you are adding to the view, the level of detail is being affected, right? So you have to remember this particular point. Okay, and dimensions are the qualitative values. And what are measures? Measures are the corresponding numerical figures, the fact values. So we can classify them as the quantitative values. Okay, the quantitative values such as, for example, the cost, revenue, total, sales, profit, these things we classify as measures, which can be aggregated. Okay, measures can be aggregated. So in case if you are dragging a measures to the view, Tableau will apply an aggregation to the measure. So you have to remember these 2 points. The dimension affect the level of detail in the view, and measure, by adding a measure, it is going to be aggregated. Tableau applies an aggregation to the measure. So you have to remember these 2 things. Okay. As I said, when you are connecting to any data source, Tableau separates them based on these keywords as a dimensions or as a measure. In case if Tableau does not understand the field completely and it is assigning a dimension as a measure or a measure as a dimension, you can easily convert them. If you click here, you have options to convert them to a dimension, or any dimension you can convert them to measure based on the appropriate settings. Okay, I hope you understood what is a dimension and measure. In next video related to this, I'm going to explain you what is discrete and what is continuous. Thanks for listening. Thank you.